Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Sweet, man. Look at that sound. I love it. Hey, the way it's flying, it looks like really aggressive in the air. Look at that. Assalamualaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. It's good weather to test this Aggressor big FPV plane. Now those who were wondering how big is it, I brought the Rambler RS with me. So check out the specs on the wingspans for both of this. Okay, this is the Rambler RS FPV wing, and this is the Aggressor FPV wing. This is, I believe, this one, Aggressor, is 1200mm wingspan, so it's slightly bigger on top of each other. Let me just hold it to show you the difference. Not big. Now those who like the compact and easy to carry planes would simply love the Rambler RS because it's really nice and compact to carry around. Even on a backpack you can carry, and it's truly a long-range flying wing. Does the long range with a smile. Trust me on that. Now this one is a different story because I can probably call it the extra long range. Let's get the camera closer. So apart from the, you know, futuristic look, which I believe my friend engineer is a fan of that cartoon series where they have this spaceship, and not only he designed almost the same thing, but it actually flies very well. So here is the you have seen the specs. Let me give you the rest of the things. These fins easily removable with the screws down there. You can remove them. There's plenty of space here for you to install your flight controllers with a push and open mechanism. You can see there's a lot of space for flight controller and everything. Okay, so for now I'm just gonna fly it with my X8R. I hope it gives me good range. Push it again, click, it fits. Now, talking about how many batteries this can take, bam, check this out. That's a lot more space again. For now, to balance the CG, I have to install two X3300mAh 4S batteries. Only then I can balance the CG, otherwise CG will not balance. For FPV cameras, you can remove this. And you can mount GoPro, you can actually put a servo here, you can install it from inside or outside and make your GoPro or other cameras, HD cameras, pan around, okay, during FPV flight. So you can install the FPV cameras here as well. So for now I'm gonna remove it because it might fly away. Let's set it up and give it a flight, see how it goes. One more thing, yes, you want to look at down here. These are kind of skids that protect the actual body, and right here there's a nice place to hold the plane and toss it in the air, throw it in the air. This is very good for launching the plane by hand, but once you put the batteries, the nose gets too heavy and it's very difficult to hold it here. I hope the engineer can move this part here, because after you put the batteries and balance the CG, here you can hold it and throw the plane really nicely. We have a video transmitter place as usual on both wings. You can put the video transmitters here or as you like on top. Servos already installed, and the motor, a big nice motor. For now there is no folding propeller. I wish they will consider folding propeller. Okay, I got it. CG seems to be nose heavy. I like my first flights always to be nose heavy. It's better to be nose heavy than tail heavy. flies very well. Gonna set some trims. Flies like a dream, man. Look at it. How loft it's flying. And we have no stabilizer, nothing right there. It's totally manual flight. I can actually perform aerobatic if I want. I'm not happy with the propeller, which obviously right now is just a cheap choice. APC copy maybe, or just a local made propeller. But imagine if I let my other friend design a folding propeller like he did for Rambler RS, and especially design folding propeller for this plane will be the way to go. Sweet, man, look at that sound, I love it. And compared to Rambler RS, it's definitely faster. Remind you that Rambler RS is made for FPV cruising so that you can go distances, long range. This one is designed for long range as well, but slightly higher speed cruising, so you can go even more distances because you can put 2x in this bad boy's belly. Imagine the flight time and imagine the places you could go. You know what? I want to go back to 1.2G, so I was thinking to order a Lawmate 1.2G 1000 milliwatt system because it's a less crowded frequency and can fly longer range easily with that. And this plane definitely needs a very trustable system. Hey, the way it's flying, it looks like really aggressive in the air, like it's gonna attack. When it turns and comes at you, it's like, really, that's why they're calling it Aggressor. Look at that. Look at that. That's why they're calling it Aggressor, because it does look aggressive in the air. Slow flying is good. For this size of plane, flying this slow, slowing down even more. So that's where you cruise. And look how it picks up the speed instantly. That's how the Aggressor should roll, man. Zero throttle. Look at that beautiful solid log landing, man. You cannot see the way I'm smiling inside my mask. I'm actually speechless here. This is absolutely the kind of flight performance I did not expect out of it. It is absolutely charming. It's absolutely, you know, truly long-range flying wing right here. This boy, this beautiful beast right here, is definitely going to get the SN Navy, the new flight controller. And I will also try to set it up, as I mentioned, with a 1.2G FPV system. So next, you know what to expect. I am really, I actually want to fly it again and just fly line of sight. The way it behaves, I mean, you can turn the manual mode on during FPV flight and go for beautiful aerobatics right there. Enjoy FPV aerobatics. It has more speed, it has more power. I heard that they said that you can actually install a bigger motor on the back and balance the CG still very well, and even make it more powerful. I mean, this is already, with its stock setup, is much more powerful than you will expect.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?